Hey family, welcome back to the kitchen of good vibes. Today we are diving into one of Cameroon's richest dish, Mbongo Tchobi, or you can call it black soup. Delicious, smoky, and full of flavor. Let's cook the magic. Are you ready? Without taking much of your time, let's dive into the video properly. And firstly, I'm going to introduce my ingredients to you and next follow it step by step cooking. Here I have my fish already washed, properly washed. You can use fish, you can use meat, you can use anything of your choice. Alright, I have my seasoning cube and some salt. I also have my white pepper and black pepper, so you can see it for yourself. I have the white Mbongo Tchobi and the black Mbongo Tchobi. So I'm going to use also celery and spring onion. You can see for yourself. I have some chili. I have pepper. These are African spices. You can go to any African shop, then they will show you. If you want pepper, then you just tell them, they will show you. Okay, you have some pepper and jangsa. I don't know if you also know this. You can see in any African shop. Ginger and some garlic and onion, pop onion. So I'm going to take this one. I will just use just half of it. Okay, I have to start my blending. I have to put all the ingredients like the fresh ones mixed together with pepper. So here is celery and the spring onion. So I'm going to blend it together with pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, the pepper, everything that you are seeing just in that big tray. I'm going to blend it together, the jangsa and the rest. So there are so many ways of cooking this. Some people will just take the blended Mbongo Tchobi, the white one and the black, and just mix inside the fish or inside the beef or whatever the protein is. So they can just mix it inside, put their seasoning inside, the salt. But yeah, I'm going to blend it together, because if you don't blend, there's some coarse, like you feel something when you are eating, you feel like there's some coarse grain in your mouth. So I'm going to mix it inside the spices and blend again. Blending everything, I mean, in fact, blending even with seasoning and my sauce. So I'm just going to mix everything, like let everything taste from this blending. Everything will be added into this thing, into my blender, and blend. That is the Mbongo Tchobi, the both white and the black Mbongo Tchobi. So I'm going to blend it together, then mix inside the fish for a while. Some people can do it like that and stand it aside maybe 20 to 30 minutes for the spices to penetrate inside the fish, the meat, or whatsoever you use. So here it is, already blend. You can see how dark it is. Don't be scared of the color, but when you put it in your mouth, oh my god, it's top notch. So some people will just mix it like this and keep it aside for some minute, or let me say 30 to 1 hour. But right now I'm just going to mix it thoroughly, just mix it well and directly to the fire. So I'll just mix it. Next thing is I'm going to stand my oil on the fire. You have to mix it well so that let every part of the fish, or both the inside, the internal and the external part, should be touched with the spices. So I'm going to use both red palm oil and vegetable oil. I want the soup to be a little bit, have like some red oil inside. So here it is. I just put my red palm oil on the fire, just 1 or 2 minutes. I added in my vegetable oil. So here is the Mbongo Tchobi here at the stock. So I have to mix the soup, the liquids, the water, and just put everything inside, stir it. Immediately I stir, I will just cover the pot and allow it on the fire. It depends on how you want it to be. If you want it thick, then don't put much water. But if you want it watery, then you can add a little bit of water inside. Since I want it watery, that's why I made it to be this way. I put a little bit of water inside. So I will just stay like this, balance, taste everything. If it's okay, then I'll just cover my pot and cook. And this will take me maybe 30 minutes. It's done. 30 minutes, you can save it. I'll just cover my pot. Yeah, that is it. Everything is okay and cook. Now it's ready to serve. You can see it. Wow. So with this, you can eat this with ripe plantain, or let me say semi-ripe plantain. You can eat it with semi-ripe banana. You can eat it with cocoyam. You can eat it with rice as well. So this is a top-notch meal from the central region of Cameroon or the west region of Cameroon. So those are the people, these are their delicacy from the area. If you find this video interesting, please kindly leave a beautiful comment. Help me like the video, subscribe and share. Stay tuned to another delicacy that will be dropping any moment from now.